Hi, this is Regitze from Greatness Advertising. Which ad format performs best? Let me clarify for those who don't know. The ad format is a video, an image, or a carousel ad. So the visual part of the ad and what format it is in video or carousel or image. But which one performs best? Well, it depends, of course. It depends on your product. It depends on how much you're asking. For instance, if it's a more expensive product, then it's best with a video ad because it shows more about your product. Think about it this way: the more you're asking, the more people have to be kind of convinced to give to take action to buy it or to give their information. For instance, a video ad can be great for a more complex product that needs to be showcased so people understand what it is. Whereas if it's just a simple ask, if you're asking people to sign up for a lead magnet, for instance, then an image ad can be better because then people may not want to spend so much time to watch a video. So sometimes a image ad can actually perform best. So the only way to find out is to test it. Test the video ad against an image ad and a carousel ad. That way you get the best result. If you want us to help you get the best leads and clients for your coaching and consulting business, then we have developed our own special method to get the best leads for your business. So if you want to hear more about it, then there's a link in the description where you can book a call with me, totally free and non-committal. And also, please join our free Facebook group for coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs, link in the description. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. And have a great day. Take care. Bye.